For some time now, Jamaican fruits and foods have been gaining popularity across the globe. It has become noticeable that some plants that are endemic to other countries and regions have taken on unique characteristics in taste and flavor when grown in Jamaica. Ginger, pimento, mango, papaya, and pineapple are just a few examples of Jamaican produce fetching higher prices on the world market because of their superior quality. Let us now take a look at 20 Jamaican fruits, their description, and health benefits. These fruits will appear in alphabetical order. Please let me know how many of them you're familiar with. Number 1. Ackee. The ackee is a native to West Africa, but is cultivated widely throughout tropical and subtropical regions for its edible fruit. The ackee was introduced to science by William Bly, hence its botanical name, Blaya sapida. Ackee has been designated Jamaica's national fruit and is also a component of the country's national dish, ackee and the saltfish. The fruit has been grown in Jamaica since 1778. Ackee must be allowed to open fully before it is ready for consumption. Once open, the only edible portion is the yellow aril. The pink raphe that attaches the aril to its seed is deadly toxic and together with the seed must be removed and completely discarded. Ackee is a nutritious food with a buttery nutty flavor and resembles scrambled eggs when boiled. Notwithstanding the possible risk if not prepared properly, ackee and the saltfish continues to be a favorite for both visitors to the island and Jamaicans at home and overseas. Ackee and saltfish finally gained international recognition in 2011 when National Geographic in its book Food Journeys of a Lifetime ranked it second among the best national dishes in the world, preceded only by the hamburger. Number 2. Almond. The almond tree, or Prunus dulcis, is grown widely throughout Jamaica and is commonly found flourishing on many beaches. The fruit of the almond tree is a drupe consisting of an outer hull and a hard shell encasing the kernel, commonly called a nut, but in fact is a seed. The hull, which comprises the skin, the exocarp, and the flesh, the mesocarp, is the fruit that is eaten. The developing fruit of the almond tree can be eaten when still green and fleshy on the outside and the inner shell has not yet hardened. The fruit has a tangy flavor. Almonds contain lots of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. The health benefits include lower blood sugar levels, reduced blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels. Kids really love this Jamaican fruit, and perhaps you will love it too. Number 3. Avocado or pear. The avocado, Persea americana, is a fruit that belongs to the family of Lauraceae, a group that also includes cinnamon and laurel. This Jamaican fruit was first cultivated on the island in 1696 before making its way to the rest of the Caribbean. Avocado is a pear-shaped tropical fruit, the common name for which is pear in Jamaica. Many varieties of avocados ranging in size, color, and texture exist. The fruit has a rich yellowish pulp and depending on the variety, the skin may be green, reddish purple, brown, or black. Avocados are ripe for consumption when you can hear the seed rattle when you shake the fruit. Most fruits ripen between August and October. A few varieties, however, such as Collinson and Lula, reach maturity out of season. When ripe, the flesh has a mild, buttery texture. The avocado is often referred to as a superfood. It is prized for its high nutrient value and is incredibly popular among health-conscious individuals. It is not just nutritious, but has a great flavor and rich texture that makes it a favorite in various dishes. Number 4. Bananas. Banana, the fruit of the genus Musa, is one of the most important, commonly eaten, and popular fruit crops of the world. Banana is grown in the tropics and widely eaten worldwide. It is highly valued for its nutritional content, flavor, versatility, and year-long availability. Ripe bananas are eaten fresh. Most commonly are often used as an ingredient to flavor countless baked products, including muffins, cakes, breads, puddings, and pies. They are also used in juices and are a great addition to cereal, yogurt, ice cream, and smoothies. Boiled green or unripe, bananas are a common food staple in Jamaica, Africa, and other Caribbean countries. Additionally, they may be used to make chips, porridge, or mashed like potatoes. This popular Jamaican fruit contains the following nutritional elements: potassium, vitamins B6 and C, magnesium, copper, manganese, fiber, and protein. Number 5. Blim Blim. Blim Blim is the Jamaican name for the Bilimbo fruit, a tropical fruit botanically classified as Avaroa bilimbi. The Bilimbo tree is thought to have originated in Indonesia or Malaysia, but is now found in many parts of the Caribbean and Central and Southern America. Bilimbo fruits are closely related to the star fruit and are oblong-shaped with 5 discernible ribs. The fruit is green when young but turns to yellowish green or white when ripe. The fruit is glossy with a thin skin and is crunchy, juicy, tart, and tangy. Bilimbo fruits are referred to sometimes as tree cucumbers because of their resemblance to smooth-skinned gherkins. Bilimbo fruit, because of its sourness, is best processed into pickles, relishes, chutney, and preservatives. The Bilimbo fruit has several health benefits. It is said to be rich in vitamins A and C and potassium. Studies have also found that the fruit possesses strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and other antimicrobial properties. The fruit may potentially regulate blood sugar levels, helps manage hypertension, and treats hemorrhoids. If you are enjoying this video, please click the like button and please type the name of your favorite fruit. Number 6. Breadfruit. Breadfruit plants, or the Artocarpus altilis, was brought to Jamaica in 1793 by Captain William Bligh for the main reason of feeding slaves. Despite the disreputable reason for which it was intended, breadfruit is now one of the most popular Jamaican fruits. This extremely versatile fruit can be prepared and eaten in all stages of development and maturity. The young fruit can be added to soup. Its potato-like texture makes mature fruit suitable for many dishes, and overripe fruits can be eaten like custards. Breadfruits can be boiled, baked, grilled, deep-fried, or even juiced. Fried or oven-baked breadfruit is considered one of the 12 most favorite dishes in Jamaica. Breadfruit, in addition to being gluten-free, is packed with nutrients and is being touted as a superfood. It is high in carbohydrates and a good source of vitamins A and C, antioxidants, calcium, copper, dietary fiber, energy, iron, magnesium, niacin, omega-3, omega-6, phosphorus, potassium, protein, and thiamine. Breadfruit also contains some carotenoids and lutein, both of which are absent in white rice and white potatoes. Roasted or baked breadfruit combined with ackee and saltfish, brown stew chicken, liver, or mackerel rundown, amongst other meat kinds, will leave you salivating in anticipation of your next meal of the fruit. Number 7. Cocoa. The cocoa tree is a source of chocolate and cocoa. The tree's scientific name is Theobroma coco. Theobroma in Greek means food for the gods. Cocoa plants have 2 edible parts: the seeds, also called the beans, and the fruit. The beans are used to produce chocolate, cocoa solids, cocoa butter, and several other chocolate derivatives. The white fruit pulp that encases the cocoa beans is the other edible part. It is delicious with a sweet and a sour flavor. Eating cocoa is like eating sweet sop. You simply suck off the flesh and dispose of the outer seed. Considered a superfood, cocoa has reasonable amounts of iron, calcium, and magnesium, but is chock full of antioxidants called flavonoids, which may have beneficial effects on cardiovascular health, improve digestive health, improve cognitive function, and lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 8. Carambola, or star fruit. Carambola, or star fruit as it is otherwise known, is the fruit of Avaroa carambola. The fruit belongs to the same species as the bilimbi, Avaroa bilimbi. It has distinctive ridges running down its side, and when cut in cross sections resembles a star, hence the name star fruit. The entire fruit is edible, usually raw, and may be cooked or made into relishes, preserves, garnish, and juices. The carambola's skin is thin and waxy and turns dark yellow when the fruit is ripe. The fruit is crunchy and juicy, and its flavor is both sweet and acidic. It is great for juicing, making smoothies, jams, and pickles. This Jamaican fruit is chock full of nutrients such as vitamins A, C, B5, B9, folate, and minerals such as zinc, sodium, magnesium, copper, and potassium. It is also loaded with antioxidants that is beneficial in controlling inflammation, cholesterol levels, and lowers the risk of fatty liver. Number 9. Coconut. Coconut is the fruit of the coconut palm, Cocos nucifera. Botanically, it is defined as a drupe, but loosely defined and acceptably so as a fruit or a nut. This wonderful Jamaican fruit is used for its water, milk, oil, and delicious kernel, commonly referred to as the meat. The coconut is one of the most popular and loved fruits in Jamaica. Its flavor is refreshing with its potassium-packed water. Culinary uses and potential health benefits are responsible for its increasing popularity. It is a favorite of many visitors to the island who, on arrival, often can hardly wait to have some cool coconut water straight from its nut. This explains why coconut vendors are usually in proximity to the island's two major airports. One of the great things about coconuts is that you can eat or drink it at various stages of their maturity. The water of the young coconut is refreshing and nutrient-packed, and the scooped-out jelly is a ready and tasty snack. As the coconut matures, the meat hardens and can be eaten raw or used for cooking. Coconut milk is a prime ingredient in the preparation of rice and peas, a favorite Jamaican dish. Coconut oil is obtained from copra, the dried meat or flesh of the coconut. Coconuts reportedly have several health benefits. They contain protein, several important minerals, and small amounts of B vitamins. Coconuts are especially high in manganese, which is essential for bone health and the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and cholesterol. Coconuts are also rich in copper and iron, which help form red blood cells, as well as selenium, an important antioxidant that protects the cells of humans. Number 10. Keele Plum. The Indian jujube, or Ziziphus mauritania lan, is commonly known as Keele Plum or crab apple in Jamaica. Other English names for the fruit are Indian plum, Indian cherry, and Malay jujube. It is known as dunks in Barbados and Trinidad. In Jamaica, Keele plums grow in the wild on spiny evergreen shrub or small tree and is popular among kids. Keele plums are of variable shape and size. They can be oval, obovate, oblong, or round, and can be 1 to 2.5 inches long, depending on the variety. The flesh is white and crisp. The fruit skin is smooth, glossy, thin, and taut. Fruits are first green, turning yellow as they ripen. Immediately before fruits ripen, it is a bit juicy and has a pleasant aroma. When fully mature, the fruit is entirely red, soft, and juicy with wrinkled skin. The ripe fruit is both sweet and sour in taste, with the flesh texture and the taste reminiscent of apples. Overripe fruits are wrinkled with flesh that is buff-colored, soft, spongy, and musky. This Jamaican fruit is eaten raw, but consumed in other ways in different cultures. Some of the most interesting health benefits of Keele plums purportedly include its availability to detoxify the body, improve skin health, cleanse the blood, relieve stress, stimulate restful sleep, strengthen the immune system, protect the liver, and increase bone mineral density. If you have gotten this far in the video, type the name of your favorite fruit in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and look out for part 2 of this video.
Elite Jamaica.